So this video, I'm going to show you different ways to save you money on planning your vacation. So you're planning your vacation. So what I want to do is talk about different ways to save you money while planning your vacation. So the main thing we got to go over is setting the destination. So once the destination is set, what we want to do is we want to find the time to go. Now, anywhere we're going to go, the off season is going to be the cheapest time to go. Now, if you go during mid-season, which is usually in the summertime, due to your families, jobs, kids getting out of school, so this is probably the best time to go. But it is the most expensive time to go as well. So this is what we're going to be talking about today. It's trying to save you money to go on vacation during the summer. So let's talk about Kayak first. So Kayak is a website that lets you pick your destination from hotel to flight. Now the great thing about Kayak is it compares its competitor pricing to about 95% accurate. So Kayak will let you know if they're the most expensive or the cheapest. If not, they'll let you know who is the cheapest package to go with. So let's talk about Hopper next. What Hopper is, it's an app that goes on your phone. Now, it is designed to help you choose your flight. When choosing a flight, let's say you want to go to California in July. What Hopper's going to do is going to pick out the whole month of July for you. It's going to let you know when the best date it is to fly, when's the best time to fly. Now, what it's doing this is looking for the best fare rates for you. So will it be with JetBlue, Southwest, or United American? It's going to let you know the best rate possible for you during the month of July. Now this is only apply for certain people. Now I want to talk about Costco. Now Costco does offer vacation packages, actually in a really fair price. The only bad thing about going with Costco is they have a time frame you got to go with. So let's say you're going to the Bahamas. Now they only have like a 3-week window where you're able to book flights, book hotels with Costco for that time frame. That's because they picked the prime time to go at a good market price. So that's why they're able to do this for all their members. But if you are a Costco member, definitely take advantage of it. The rates are really low, and actually really most competitors can't really beat it because you're getting flight and hotel for a decent price. So the last thing I want to talk about is Yotta. What Yotta is a special website designed to help you save money. Now the reason why it's helping you is not like designed like Orbit or Kayak or any other companies where you're booking flights and booking hotels. So this is where you already booked it and you find it for a cheaper price. Now what they're going to do is they're going to try to get you credit back to your account. Now it's not going to be physical money that's going back to you in your checking account. It's going to be a credit. So if let's say you're flying through Southwest and you could get a disc, like the rates are $200 lower now. What Yotta is going to try to do is trying to get the $200 back to you. So the next time you fly, you have that extra credit for yourself. So that's pretty much what I got for you today. So what I'm going to do is, everything I discussed today, I'm actually going to link everything in the descriptions below. Other than that, guys, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe, and keep saving money.